Hello everyone. Let's see. Few days back, I have posted one post on LinkedIn about Infracodebase, like how I am using Infracodebase for creating a entire infrastructure for multi cloud accounts. Okay, so this post I have did. I have used this simple architecture diagram to create an entire infrastructure using a Infracodebase. So let's jump in and see like how it will work. Okay, using the diagram itself, architecture diagram itself. So let's jump here. So here we can create an infrastructure. This is our workspace. You can create your workspace using this AWS infra. Create a workspace. So workspace got created. Now just we have to describe what we have to build. So we are going to build architecture using the architecture diagram itself, right? So we are having that with us, AWS infrastructure code base, and this simple prompt we are giving to this. This is the just prompt with whatever requirements I wanted to work around, right? The entire requirement I have given here. You can see, and we'll just change our GitHub account because this is my old one. We're using this one here. So you can see like how using this prompt like a generate a complete terraform workspace based on this architecture diagram, include code commit, code build, code pipeline, cost account roles, S3 backend, and multi-account multi-region deployment, dev, QA, staging, prod. Create modules for VPC, ALB, IAM roles, KMS, cloud tails, CloudWatch, and event region terraform validation steps. User usable folder structure slash modules environment slash pipelines have policies, include full IAM trust policies for cross account access, generate a code pipeline YAML for dev, QA, staging, and prod with manual approvals. Provide README and architecture explanation. After generating the workspace, push the entire repo to my GitHub this account using a new repo name Terraform multi-account infra. Ensure everything follows a Terraform best practices, remote state, and tagging environment. So let's jump in and try it out how it works. So it started creating a tasks. See, it's performing almost 9 tasks, each and one thing. First task, it should be creating a project folder structure. He started creating a folder structure. You can see environment, demo, prod, QA, staging. Then models he have started ALB, CloudTrail, CloudWatch, CloudBuild, Code Commit, Code Pipeline, Event Breach, IAM, KMS, VPCs. The pipelines he is going to create. Then policies, then dot getting no file. So these kind of folder structure he will create first. Yeah, the first task got completed. He created a folder structure for all our requirements. He started generating a core Terraform modules. So he started generating the modules, ALBs. Let's wait. See, he started creating the VPC module, LB module, LB module. You can see. You're able to see the code is generating. The best Terraform practices he's using. See here, variables.tf file. Now he started creating models, remaining models like KMS, CloudTrail, CloudWatch, Event Breach. How many tasks he has won? He's now on Terraform model task. Okay, so let him create. See, I am models he have created. Main.tf, output.tf, variable.tf for I am model, then KMS model, the same files for KMS model as well. Then VPCs for VPC model, same files. Until he have created 3 tasks. He is on third task now. Now he is creating code pipeline infrastructure code module. Yeah, he's running the tasks. for pipeline. You have generated this main.tf file, everything set like the version, provider, hash cropped backend for state locking S3s and these kind of things. Everything is settled. The whole code he is writing by his own using the best Terraform practices. All the necessary files for the infrastructure building, he will generating. Now it's create the environment configuration. So now here it is the scenario. It's creating the environments. Dev, prod, QA, staging. So dev you can see all .tf files for dev. You can see here until you have performed, like now it's configuring the environments. Everything he is working around the one architecture diagram itself. The agent, the MCP recognizing the pattern, the architecture, and he is working around the requirements. Now it's updating the production environment now. So let's see the production environment files. Output file, the variables. Now building files and pipeline configurations. So new tasks. Are you able to see how it is working? Perfectly fine, right? Creating a policy document and backend configuration, writing a cross account trust policies in the JSON format. Able to see here. Then it came on to the next task, generating a backend configuration and Terraform.var templates. See, the backend configuration templates he is creating sample.tf_var file, writing backend configuration, to see it's same again. It's running the task. Now it started creating a comprehensive README file for this workspace. So he will start writing it. So what we will do, we will connect. We did this task as well, right? Initialize a Git repository and push to GitHub, but we did not connect it GitHub yet. So we'll create a GitHub here. Connect the personal account. This one will continue with this maxi 25. All repositories. Give authorization for honored platform. Now it's connected. Back to the workspace again. We were here, right? Stopped working. Do it again. This one. This task we left with, right? Initializing. Started reading it. To completing, it will automatically push into the GitHub repo. So already connected Mac 25 this account. We'll give this name to AWS Infra Demo. Infra Base Demo. Make it publicly. Create a repo. Repo got created. Now let's creating the additional documentation file. And come to here. Let's wait for the repository. You're able to see in just 1 minute. You're able to see the file just now updated and pushed directly into your GitHub workspace directly from Infracodebase to GitHub. You're able to see the entire environment files for dev, for prod, for QA, for staging, the models, pipeline files. policies, and the beautiful readme. See, amazing, right? So let's wait here. What he's doing, he's creating architecture.md as well. Let's wait. 1 minute. This is how we can work around this. We will start generating these files and diagram for this our GitHub repo. After successfully generating the architecture diagrams over a post, it will automatically push to this GitHub repo. So this is how we can work around this infra code base. So we can check here in the, we can create so many things. We do have so many MCPs here. You can work around that MCPs. You can check in the settings. Tools, browse registry. You can see MCP servers like Azure, GitHub, Terraform, GitLab, Google Cloud, AWS, Atlassian, and Azure DevOps. These kind of things, these MCP servers we are having, so we can work around any cloud or any tool. So this was just a demo part for like the just user interface, how we can use simply. So we will be friendly for this platform. So in the next session, we'll look into the how we can integrate one MCPs in our workspace. So we'll see that as well. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.